Hey guys, happy Thanksgiving. Angry RV Hippie here. Very tired. Sorry I've not posted in a long while. I'll do a video later about that. Been very sick with my Hashimoto's. No bueno. But I'm going to do a lot of videos here today because it's Thanksgiving and I want to show people how, again, you can cook healthy, you can cook clean, you can do all your traditional recipes. We just got to tweak it a little bit to make it a little bit more cleaner, AIP diet, and have those clean whole foods. All right, guys, we're going to start first with this amazing viral video, creamy cabbage, carrot, potato bake. So get your cast iron pan. You're going to start with a small head of cabbage. You're going to slice them into wedges. As you can see, little wedges like this, guys. Layer them in your pan. We're going to do about 2 carrots. And then as those start and you're cutting everything else up, we're going to do half a cup of some bone broth. Again, this is a good one that I love to use. 100% grass-fed, clean products. Remember, guys, with Hashimoto's, you really got to look at your ingredients. Look at that. Very clean. No preservatives, no natural flavors, no garbage. All right, we're going to start with that. Then we're going to go to 2 to 3 potatoes we're going to get inside this pan. And then we're going to go on to the next step. Okay, guys, so this is what it should look like. All right, 2 carrots. I spunk it up and did some onions because I love onion. So I did some onion, about 3 baby gold potatoes. And then you're going to take your heavy whipping cream. You're going to do about a cup. And then you're going to go back to that broth and add another half a cup of broth. And then again, you guys, you can't fuck however you want. I'm going to do garlic pepper. I'm going to do salt. All right, guys, now we're working on dish 2. What are we doing for Thanksgiving? I'm going to do deviled eggs. Guys, so I boiled these last night. Got them nice and chilled. So now we're going to prep these deviled eggs. And I'm going to give you guys the AIP recipe for a deviled egg mixture. Oof. Remember, there's a technique into peeling these hard-boiled eggs. You kind of like crack it real gentle with your knife, and then you just baby peel. Be patient, because this can take a minute. All right, I just made a mistake. Don't do what I did. I just accidentally cut these eggs in half. That is wrong. You want to cut your eggs long ways like this so that they can sit on their base. And then go ahead and remove that yellow yolk. And then I'm going to show you the mixture that I use to make an amazing deviled egg. All right, guys, now that you got your egg mixture, okay, how I like to do it, classic mayo, chosen. Again, I use an avocado base because of my Hashimoto's. But again, can't fuck this up. Start with like 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. Then, I like to use yellow mustard. If you want to do Dijon, spice it up a little bit, feel free. Again, can't fuck this up, 2 tablespoons. I like a little acidic. So I'm going to add some apple cider vinegar, just a little dash. It's not going to hurt anything. It's going to give it a little bit. Do some salt and pepper as well. And then I'm going to make mine a little different today and do dill. So I'm going to dice up some fresh dill inside here, give it a little bit of tang, and then we're going to top it with some delicious candy bacon. Follow along. It's been about an hour. Look at that cauliflower dish. All right, you're going to want to turn your cabbage over, let it roast again for another 15 minutes, uncovered. And then we're going to pop it out, sprinkle it with some mozzarella cheese, and let it bake again, golden crispy. I'm also going to tang this up, you guys, and put a little bit of lemon juice. Because I like mine a little tangier. So, again, get creative with it. But remember, always your base, mayonnaise, mustard, and then add there. You guys are losing our mind. Here's the truth of how bad of a mess it is in the RV while we're trying to do everything. Because now we're working on the potatoes. But let's go back and check on that cabbage dish. It's looking fucking fire, you guys. So guys, look at that sexy, creamy cabbage, potato, carrots, bake for the holidays. Enjoy, follow my channel, like below, and then hit a comment. Info. I'll give you all the information you want on how to follow this Hashimoto journey on eating regular food that we're taught, but just doing a little bit of a twist. Have a merry, merry day. Bye.